The first planes touched down just after dawn, their wheels kicking up clouds of red Sahel dust. Inside were families clutching small bags, children rubbing sleep from their eyes, elders whispering prayers in Creole. They had come from Port-au-Prince, Cap Haïtien, Les Cayes, from a land battered by poverty, earthquakes, and foreign interference. When the doors opened, they stepped into Ouagadougou not as refugees, but as honored guests. On the tarmac, thousands of Burkina Faso citizens were waiting with drums, flowers, and banners that read in bold letters, "Welcome, Haiti. Welcome home." At the front of the reception stood President Ibrahim Traoré in his familiar green jacket.
Nigerians are relocating to Burkina Faso. Yes, about 2,000 Nigerians has relocated to Burkina Faso. Right now, Burkina Faso now has a factory, a fruit factory, where they sell fruits. People now bring their fruits to the factory and sell them. Like Ibrahim Traoré has drastically reduced unemployment in Burkina Faso. You know, if you enter Burkina Faso without having a good job, without getting a good money, I'm telling you, Burkina Faso, if I say that I go put head right now, yes. If I say they enter Burkina Faso because I don't want to hear them again. I want to see them with my eyes. Turkish government has just announced that there is a new terrorist group or organization in Nigeria and they are operating in other parts of the world. Has Nigeria now become a site for breeding terrorists? What is going on?
Nigerians, did you watch this video with me? Let's assume that this news happens to be that it is Ghana that they are talking or broadcasting such kind of news about. Ghanaian youth will come out in their multitude, question their government, make a research to know if this is actually true. And if it is true, they are going to put it an end, even if the hand of government is inside it. But Nigerian youth will hear this kind of news and look away and feel adamant and feel reluctant that nothing concern you. By the way, what concern you? And you are angry that someone who have tolerated you enough said they don't want you again in their country. You are angry that someone said, we have tolerated you enough, we have had enough of you as a Nigerian, go back to your home. Is it not time we Nigerian youth should come out in our multitude, come out in our numbers, and face Nigerian government to rewrite our story, to correct the names and the reputation of Nigeria that a lot of Nigerians who came before now ruined for us? Because, believe it or not, in every place across this world, there's always good and bad people. The problem we Nigerians are going through now is because people who came before us as Nigerians have done a lot of bad things, have ruined the reputation and integrity of Nigeria. And that is why it is hard for people to believe that this Nigeria today, or some of us, are good. They generalize that every Nigerians are bad and should not be trusted or accommodated. But we hear this kind of news, we will do nothing about it. The only reason why we are running away because we lack good governance. We lack good leadership. If we have good leaders and good governance in Nigeria, we won't travel because there's nothing we are supposed to be looking outside elsewhere that we don't have. As a matter of fact, Nigeria gives a lot of people light, but we don't have light. We are the biggest market share across global, and where are we today? See, insecurity is at the highest order. Corruption is at the highest order in Nigeria. So are we supposed to be attacking Ghanaians or SA or other people who are complaining about our bad attitude? Are we not supposed to carry our energy back to Nigeria so that we can fix it? So that Nigerian government can be fixed, so that Nigeria as a country can be fixed. See, Ghanaians are insulting us, humiliating us, SA insulting us, humiliating us. We are being quiet across global. It's because we are running away from Nigeria because it's not good. If Nigeria turned to become a good country, none of us will go. Because I remember some people who are telling me that about 90 or 80 something, that everybody across global goes to Nigeria looking for greener pasture. What happens to that Nigeria of 1980s? That happens to look like USA Day now. What happens to that Nigeria that everybody runs to across global in look of greener pastures? What happens to that Nigeria today? Corruption have eaten us up. Selfishness, tribalism, religious bigots. This is the biggest problem we're facing in Nigeria. And that is why we keep sinking instead of having solution. Because we will see truth, we won't talk. Truth be told, Ghana is not our problem. SA is not our problem. Our problem are Nigerian governments. And that should be the people we should tackle. That should be the people we should face. Not people who say that they are tired of being with us. They are tired of accommodating us. They are tired of tolerating us. They are tired of our excesses. They shouldn't be our main target. Our target should be the roof of our problem, which is Nigerian government. Because all these insults we receive from people or wherever we live across the world is because Nigerian government are not doing well. If they are doing well, we won't travel anywhere in look of greener pastures, because whatever we are looking across global is in Nigeria. There's nothing we don't have. It's in mineral resources. We give people light, but we don't have light. Everything we have is in Nigeria, as a matter of fact. But we lack everything we give people. So why are we angry to people who said they are tired of our excesses? They are tired of accommodating us. They are tired of tolerating us. We should focus on Nigerian government, not people who is tired of accommodating us. And Nigerian youth or these Nigerian generations we all are cowards. We can't talk to Nigerian government. We can't challenge them. It is only how to saga Ghana or any other country that talks about Nigeria. That is the only thing you will see us exercising our energy, exercising our wide mouth, exercising our strength. But we cannot put that energy and the strength back to Nigerian government. Let's assume that the strength we use in saga and other countries, that we channel that energy direct to Nigerian government, to Nigerian leaders. I'm telling you, everybody, everywhere go hot. That hotness we give Ghana whenever they talk about us, or SA or any other country, let's channel that energy to Nigerian government and things will be done right. And we won't need to travel anymore. We need to be in another people's country and you're going to be insulted, you're going to be humiliated, you're going to be harassed. Whatever we face in anywhere across global is caused by Nigerian government, because they don't care about us. And we are too scared to talk to them. Come to Ghana and see. They don't born you well, make you do anything. Who be you, government? Now, citizen be government for Ghana. That is why anytime they raise an alarm, government, we don't want this. This is how we want it. This is how it should be. Government listen to them and attend to it immediately. In Nigeria, it is never done. That we have allowed selfish politicians to be importing terrorists in Nigeria. Funny enough, breeding them inside Nigeria, recruiting them inside Nigeria.
If Sagana mrati miache shatawali, edina kwe yoko pa dia. What is preventing that same law from arresting this manipulative idiot called himself Chukudi, who is gallivanting in Ghana like a lost ghost that he is? Sagana mrati miache shatawali, edina kwe yoko for an investigation. A DNA prevented that same Memorano from arresting this manipulative idiot called himself Iboken, who is gallivanting in Ghana like a lost ghost that he is. You Ghana politicians, you think Ghana is for you, eh? Both MPP and NDC, you think Ghana is for you. You are allowing Nigerian criminals and other African countries' criminals to enter Ghana, all in the name of one stupid ECOWAS that we don't even understand. One stupid ECOWAS that is not even benefiting Ghanaians. Politicians, you see the way you cannot be able to stop Galamsey. That is the same way when the Ghana youth arise, you will not be able to stop us. And Nigerians living in Ghana thinking that politicians can be able to protect them. You don't know what is coming for you. You have no idea what is coming for you. If only you knew, you will start packing that your baller called belongings back to Nigeria. Because Ghana belongs to Ghanaians. Ghana does not belong to politicians. I'm telling you. And you politician, that when we decide to put you at the top there to protect the interests of Ghanaians, and when you get to the top there, you start acting as if your brain has been turned upside down. All of you, your time is coming. Ghanaians, we say we don't want ECOWAS because ECOWAS is not helping Ghanaians. Pan-Africa is not helping Ghanaians. And you Ghana leaders, instead of you to let the law of even ECOWAS and the constitution of Ghana to work, you are acting like animals, trying to manipulate us with diplomatic ties. Your time is coming very soon. And you Nigerians, how do you expect Africans to unite with this kind of attitude, with this kind of greediness? Like, you are so eager to make money, that you are ready to do anything, even if it means selling your parents. Nigerians, you are ready to do it for money. How do you expect Africa to unite with this kind of attitude? How? It can never be possible. We don't want Nigerians in Ghana. That doesn't mean we don't want all Nigerians out. But as I am talking to you now, even someone being wanted in Nigeria as a criminal is in Ghana gallivanting. How? Immigration, how? Or come academy.
And not forgetting for that passport issue, our identity, that one, we will never stop talking about it. Because you know the reason why? When the name of Ghana is destroyed, they will go and look for another country to go and look for their passport. But we Ghanaians, we are the one going to suffer. We are going to bear the consequences. It is not so only opportunity be not my place restrictions any band or Ghana so we say yeah and then we say you are not a pass no but the boy ebe breye what the boy ebe breye some say you are not pass them and we will do a young casabium. But the social media does not forget. These videos will come back and play to your face that we told you guys that we should be careful of the way this our passport, this our identity has been given to these Igbos for them to use it for the atrocities in different countries. So let's be aware that one will never stop talking about it. It must be stopped, and it must be stopped now.
And how some of you take they marry for this country safe? How do some of you even marry in this country when you are marrying people that don't even know your culture, they don't know your tradition, they know nothing about your roots, they don't even have value, little, not tertiary value like this for your roots. Since when you marry Ghana girl, you never go Nigeria once. You don't born the children where you want born. You cannot take your Ghana girlfriend to go to your family house to go and stay with them because she know nothing about your culture or even how to respect your family. A Nigerian woman can marry a Ghana man today, and when she enter the house, she go observe. Okay, I'm married to a Ghanaian. This one are the way these people take the reason. This one are the way these people take day. All right, so make I try my best to live as they live. Let me try my best to tolerate. Let me try my best to condone some things. Right? That's a woman that thinks.